Welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be bedding nest boxes for my pen for chickens for the winter. So as you can see, I've already got a few done. Just for an example of what I'll be doing. It's not that deep. Just enough to keep the eggs from breaking. So that's what I'll be doing today. The matter is many kitten helpers as I get. Yeah. Okay. The kitten helper strikes again. I don't know if you guys can see him, but right here, you guys should be able to see him. What are you doing? So, finished bedding it all, and I don't have a board for along those three, but that's okay. I don't need those. I should be good. So, we have it all set up. The next step is getting the outside ready. So, the outside is you just open this door. It leads to their outside pen, which is kitten's gonna help us show, I guess. So you just walk through, and you're outside. Hi, Amber. You're outside. Now this is just about how big their pen will be, but this feeder right here, we gotta get rid of. Grab it and eat. It's gone. But so I go grab the skid steer to do that. So first step to get the big feeder out. Before we get the skid steer in here, we have to take these panels, open them up so I can get the skid steer through. This little lump's going to be a bit of a problem, but shouldn't have too big of a problem with it. I mean, that kitten's having a great time. So, let's start taking those apart. I just got a little wire right here, holding it on, which actually has done a very good job. Got two of them on here, 2 pieces of wire. That guy's loose. Hang him up here. So I'll need to beat him. Take the other guy. Do the same as the other one. A little bit tougher wire and sharp ends. Holy cow. There we go. Got it off, and we'll hang it with the other guy. Then we'll just grab, pull her open. Of course, get the pitchfork out of here. Nice. I'm gonna have to kind of bring it up onto this mound. Oh, she wants to tip. Amber. I mean, I don't know why she couldn't tip, but so we let her tip. Now we're just gonna clear out this area, and we'll get the skid steer. So I had to improvise a little. Apparently it wasn't recording, but I brought it from there. Brought it back here. The goal, or the original idea, was to put it right there, but that's just like way in front. So you just let it back there. And our next step will be there's some panels on the other side of the barn, and we'll be grabbing those.